Okay, so this is the drone. Lola, you stay there.
Love you.
You stay there, Lola. Love you too. Now I have to zoom in. You can't really see. You can see the moon is a full moon, but right underneath the moon, this thing came across. It's not fucking blinking. Right there it is. It's just going real slow. It actually came into view real fast, and it slowed down. I don't see it blinking at all. Oops, trying to hold it steady. I can see with my eyes a lot better than this fucking camera can see it. And I believe me, I've looked up a lot of different shit, and there are some things that I thought were drones that were, ended up being an aircraft or whatever. And it's pretty clear out. Okay, you can see the first couple stars coming out. If I point it straight up here, see there's a star. Wow, this fucking camera sucks. Lola, get in there. And then you got my dog here, just trying to sneak out. Come on. Let's brighten it up a little bit. There you go. Hey, Lola, what are you doing, sneaky? Get your ass in there. She waits till I'm not looking. She's trying to sneak out. What are you doing, Lola? There we go. The motion light, come on. What are you doing, Lola? Come here. Come here. Right here. Good girl. Good girl. She don't have her leash or harness on or nothing, so I don't want to run her away because I ain't gonna catch her if she does. She's too fast. Full moon now. This fucking camera don't do it any justice at all. It just looks like a street light or something. Stay. Stay. I tried to clear it up, but it didn't. Why do iPhones cameras suck when recording the moon? Get in there. No, get in there. Go. Go. I'm gonna get the hose. You better go. She's afraid of the hose. Okay. Now, let's see. Can we get the damn thing to not look so damn bright? That's the moon. Sure doesn't look like the moon, does it? There we go. But this is what my iPhone camera looks like when recording the moon. And I see other people that record it that looks fucking like crystal clear. That's a little better, but it's still not, not as clear as I'm seeing it with my naked eye. And these cameras are supposed to be pretty good fucking cameras on the iPhone, aren't they? Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. But I don't think it's quite a full moon. I think it's just like a day or two away. By the looks of it. Oh, okay, there's the neighbors pulling down in. I don't know what the hell they have going on down there. There's only fucking 2 houses when you go down that lane. Well, three houses, I guess. 3 houses. But you would think that there's a fucking apartment complex down there or something. And then we got the street lights. They just turn on and off whenever they feel like it. Like you saw that, right? The street light just turns off. Yeah. It's break time for the street light. It's taking its break. It don't need to be on. You know what I mean? What is that? What's that all about? I can walk all over town. Every one of the fucking street lights do this. They'll just shut off when you're standing right when you get underneath them. It just shuts off, And then it takes a while before it comes back on. It slowly comes back up. So if I look up, stay in there. I'm gonna get the hose. Stay in there. And like that one you just saw was open, like open on the bottom. But you got these guys here that are like, it's a whole closed unit, It's got some weird fucking box on top of it. Like a little, I don't know what it is. I don't understand this here interweb technology, hickamajigger, whatchamacallit. I just know it does weird stuff. Never, I have no explanation for it. It's that there witchcraft. It's that voodoo witchcraft shit. you fucking hear it all. Then I see people on the internet, they're recording videos of the streetlights, right? And then they're recording them in their hand, like they're gonna just go whoosh, like they think that they're turning it off with their powers, and they just record themselves until they get lucky and record themselves, you know, at the right moment, and then they post just that, like they turn it off, huh?
Sorry, I'm gonna run up.
Hey, get your ass over here. She's coming.
Hey, Lola.
You fucking little sneaky bitch. She waited until you got my attention. It's not your fault. She waited until you got my attention.
For a second.
Yep, that's what she did.
You
Then you
got
get fucking people like
meet
this.
Kobe real quick. You go.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who's that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's just somebody turning around
Can I
because it's
see those real
normal.
quick? I'm gonna run up and meet Kobe real quick. He got me a bait.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. I'll be right back.
Yeah, see, that's just normal. People coming down to turn around. Completely normal. Yeah, I see that fucking Ford. It's a Ford Escape. I see that thing all the time. Like, come on, Lola, let's go. Time to come back in. Playtime's over. Come on, Lola. Come on. All right, good girl. Come on. House. Come on. Yes, you got to run around. Come on. Get in the house. Come on. Let's go. House. Come on. Come on, house. She's coming. Come on. No. House. House. All right, go for a ride then, you bitch. Come on, let's go for a ride. Let's go for a ride. Come on. Go for a ride. She's like, I just want to play. Go for a ride. Go ahead, go for a ride. See, she runs away. She just needs to run. She just needs to run, and I don't run with her enough, so all right, you're taking her with you.
No, I'm not. She's gonna hit my shifters. No, I'm not. I'm not taking her. No, I'm not.
I can't carry her. Come on, Lola. We're going to the house. I thought you wanted to take her for a ride.
No, I'm just trying to capture her.
All right, I got her.
Yeah?
I think so.
You need me to help you?
No, I got her. She knows. I got her. I got her. Yep. We're going in the house now. You had your fun, you brat. Come on. Come on. House. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Get in the house. Come on. Get in the house. Go. Good girl. You little sneaky fucker. You can't blame her. She just wants to run. You know that. And her breed and what kind of dog she is, she needs to run. And I just need to get her. I need to get her open space more so she can exercise more and run like that more often. It's just, you know, circumstances. So, look. Oh, wow, that was smooth. She just learned how to drive a stick today, so that looked pretty fucking smooth to me. All right, well, I started recording this for the drone, but whatever. Be good or be good at it.